won't believe this, but I forgot it again.
Mind if I ask you a question? What is that on your shoulders?
Come on, Brenda.
What is a cafe that don't serve no coffee? You mind telling me that?
Hey, Sal. Did you pick up my rifle?
You must be joking, Mr. Cox. He's got a mind like a sieve. Sometimes I wonder how he remembers to come home.
No, there's no hurry, no hurry. How about a cup of coffee?
You hear that, Sal? Mr. Cox would like a cup of coffee. You see, Mr. Cox, normally we'd be glad to oblige. But at the moment, we have this little problem. Because the boss here forgot to pick up the new coffee machine, which was the reason he went into town in the first place. Poof! It just slipped his mind. But just what is that?
You mean that?
Sal, you put me on, because if you are...
Here goes coffee.
Junior, stop a minute.
There was that poison.
Salamo!
But there's no one here, Mom.
I am. And your music's driving me crazy. It sounds like a sewing machine. Sal, what is that thing?
I found it.
Found it? Found it where?
On the highway, by the, old picnic area.
And you just took it. You crazy?
It didn't belong to nobody.
Oh, what makes you so sure? It sure as hell don't belong to nobody here. Ah, Sal, you're such a child. Only problem is I got 2 children. I don't need 3. Clean that shit up.
That's more like it.
Sal, you take that back where you found it now.
It certainly is practical, Brenda. Isn't it?
Sure is. It is practical, honey.
Don't you honey me.